to a game called Don't Press the Button 4. Yeah, I just played this a lot, like a long time ago, and it popped up on my re-rendered screen or whatever. It popped up on my Roblox screen, and yeah, I just played it because I thought it would be fun. And boom! That's actually an easy one. Bad level. Oh no, thunder! Oh no, it's thunder! Oh, Donna, kill me. No, don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. No! Don't do it! Oh! Everybody start jumping. Is it going to stop? Right over here, I think there's no clouds or lights. Okay. They're actually on the floaty. Be careful. Oh no. What's that down there? Poop? Is that poop? If it is, I am so surprised right now. They added poop. Just silence. Poop. 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 Whee! Oof. It's poop. It's poop. 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 Yay! Boom. It shows me right there. My awesome headphones. Close the door. I think something bad is about to happen. I want to click a bunch of that! Yay! What does it do? I have no idea what. Slide down. Oh yay! And slide me down into giant new. Or just slide me down into death. Enough funny for me! Enough funny first! Yes! I think I'm the first one too! Oh! Blink! Splat! Oh! That's actually fun one. Oh, darn it. Why did I not know that's going to happen? It's going to draw yellow fast face back, face back, face back. I didn't even know what I was saying, but failed because it's only important. Oh yeah, I got it. I'm a long distance. I said if you rush and press it, get to the top. What does that mean? Yeah. Oh, maybe there's not some room. Maybe there's lava. Yeah, I win! Other Roblox characters are doing, but this is parkour I've never seen in my life. Actually, it's so easy. I can get it. Can do it 200 times. I'm only actually bad at parkour without big brain. Where are my headphones? Oh, yeah. Boing! Boing! We get the big boing thing. That's not as exciting, but boing. Boing! 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 Yes, I collected that one. Boing! Look out! Big we actually jumping. Okay, that's over. I still have some big brains. Thunder! Up one here. Please. I want to see this bundle coming down. Oh, I need whatever. Okay, so I'm just killing that person. Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. Guys, I'm going to release another video I did tomorrow. I actually did yesterday. Don't worry, it's going to be huge. So watch that video. What? Tsunami. Oh, darn it. Here. Oh no. Oh, darn it. Tsunami, get me. It's big tsunami. Don't worry. Think fast. Oh, I could have just stand it on that thing. Okay, this is actually a small thing. It's kind of shiny. Think fast. Oh, again? Are you kidding me? Everyone died on that one. Are you kidding me? Yeah, flying cloud. Yes, I would like to purchase flying cloud. Now let's get a flying cloud. Oh! Now let's get a flying cloud. Let's see what it does. It's pretty actually good. This is good. I'm a flying cloud! I'll go fast. That me. Oh yeah! Gotta go fast. I'm on top of a building. Don't freaking machine. We're not going to subscribe. Also, just subscribe. I was just joking. Don't think my sick. A person would never go fast at their feet. Oh, boing. Wait, can I actually just go down? Oof. Oh my gosh, that's actually good. So if somebody pisses me off, I can just use it. Oh my gosh, it actually did. Boing. 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 A giant volcano? Really, that's going to get me? Well, if you enjoyed this episode of PC Daily Gaming and the Roblox, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, I just didn't hit it in time, okay?